Well, I went and picked my trailer decking up this morning for my trailer. It's not near enough, but it's a start. I got 9, I think it will, oh wait, if it was even, maybe it's 8. I think it's 8 12-foot ones and 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, no 10. Okay, it's 9 12-foots and 10 16-foots. I put the 16 up here and then use the 12s for the ramps or dovetail or whatever. But Zach's here again.
I have joined the F250 club.
Zach's got an F250 now.
I couldn't pass it up. It was a 2014 and it only had 25,000 miles on it.
And you get your license plate for the front.
I got one in the back seat. I just ain't put it on.
And some mud flingers.
Yeah.
And rock flingers.
Definitely need some bigger tires.
I hate the tires that they come with from the factory.
Don't got too much power for that size tire.
It'll spin them in a heartbeat. Hell, my truck will spin the crap out of them tires. Let's look at your log truck. I gotta wipe the camera off. You scrubbed the paint off right there, Zach.
That was pressure washing. It had a bunch of mildew on it. Pressure washing won't do it, so I had to
do a little scrubbing. Jeremy's working on the hitch. Oh, you're on fire. I put the fire out. Glad I walked over here. You didn't need brake lights. They're optional. Saving the day. That'll work good there. Hey, Jack's here. Little smoky. Little smoky. Damn. I swear. He said lunchtime on a Friday and you already got the 24 out. Oh, we're on fire again. All right, let's do Zach's measurements here. This is Zach's measurements here.
Guys, the steel plate.
Watch this. Watch.
That should work, right?
That should work perfect right there. Especially with these nice, pretty D-rings. That's good there, man.
See, we put them on there because we figured that's definitely not going to stay in there.
We should just have Jeremy welded on there, and it'll be all right. Just like that right there.
No, you probably need a little cockeye like that.
Oh no, have twisted something like that.
Oh Zach, one damn problem after another. What?
Brand new.
That's nice, isn't it?
Whose is that?
Jeremy's. You like my log racks? Jason made those.
Oh yeah. What was it? What's this for again?
A tie-down rail. And then he added.
You do decking over to here?
Yeah, I'll do decking right here over. And we did all these right here. Added some more tie downs right here, so if I got a machine I could hook a binder right here and chain it down. Because before all it had was just these 3 D-rings on each side. So you had like 8 foot in between. It wasn't practical tying stuff down.
Hey, I thought this was Zach's trailer.
He can't afford it now. We done spent $2,000 on wheels. That is cosmetic. The boards will cover that up.